Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novilia Mandini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discuss about the concept and role of organizational behavior in the context of behavioral accounting. Organizational behavior is one of the important aspects that forms the basis for understanding how humans act and interact within an organization. In modern accounting system, it's not enough to understand only the technical and procedural aspects. We also need to understand how individual and group behavior affects the work system within an organization. Organizational behavior essentially examines how people act in the workplace. It encompasses various aspects such as attitudes, perceptions, motivation, communication, leadership, conflict, and organizational culture. This concept arises from the combination of various disciplines ranging from psychology, sociology, anthropology to management. The goal is to understand the dynamics of human relationship between an organization and how this affects the overall performance of the organization. In the context of behavioral accounting, organizational behavior plays a very important role. Accounting is not just about numbers and reports, but also about how that information is processed, communicated, and used by individuals within the organization. When someone prepares a budget, reads financial report, or makes financial decision, they are actually interacting with a broader organizational system. And this is where organizational behavior plays a role shaping that process. For example, how managers' leadership style can influence the way their team works and report and respond to the accounting system. A participative leader tends to encourage openness and two-way communication, allowing accounting information to be used more effectively. On the other hand, an authoritarian leadership style can create high work pressure, decrease motivation, and even trigger manipulative practice in financial reporting. In addition, organizational behavior is also closely related to communication process within the organization. Effective communication will enhance the understanding of accounting information and smoothen the decision-making process. However, if communication is poor, the information conveyed may be misinterpreted or even ignored. It shows that the role of human behavior is very dominant in determining the success of an accounting system. We also need to understand how group dynamics within an organization influence individual behavior. In many cases, a person acts not only based on their personal judgment, but it's also influenced by group norms, social pressure, or workplace culture. Phenomena such as conformity, group cohesion, and internal conflict can all influence how someone interacts with the existing accounting system. In addition, work motivation is also of the important aspect of organizational behavior. An accounting system designed without considering motivational aspect tends to be ineffective. For example, an unfair or non-transparent incentive system can cause dissatisfaction and impact work productivity. Therefore, behavioral accounting seeks to integrate an understanding of motivation into the design of accounting system to encourage positive behavior within organization. By understanding the concept of organizational behavior, we can design an accounting system that is not only technically efficient but also socially and psychologically effective. A good accounting system is one that can adapt to human behavior, not the other way around. Therefore, behavioral accounting is present to bridge the gap between accounting information system and the behavioral aspect that occur within the organization. In conclusion, we can conclude that organizational behavior is an important foundation in understanding how accounting systems work in the real world. Because in the end, the success of the accounting system is not only determined by the accuracy of the numbers, but also by how the people within the organization receive, understand, and utilize that information to achieve common goals. So that's the explain about the concept and role of organizational behavior. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.